Dental practice owners and medical practice owners, today I'm going to get straight to the point and talk with you about the 3 secret strategies that Evo Dental are utilizing to gain an unfair competitive advantage in the dental implants market for full mouth implant restorations. Now, many of you will be wondering how you can gain a competitive advantage. You are not applying the strategies, the SEO strategies that they are using to get thousands of visitors to their website in organic traffic every single month without paying Meta, without paying Google, just positioning for these terms, not just in their area, but in surrounding areas as well. And today I'm going to share with you the strategies they're using in order to achieve that. If you have had a bad experience with SEO, I probably know kind of what you're thinking right now, which is that you've tried SEO for 3 months, 6 months, even a year, you saw no results, your rankings didn't change, maybe Google ads were too expensive for you, maybe Facebook ads haven't worked. And I'm going to try and convince you that if you are a group of 2 or 3 clinics or even a dental practice that's kind of starting to increase in the amount of revenue it has, you should be thinking about that revenue not solely depending on direct response advertising, which is Meta ads or Google ads. You should be focused on SEO, whether you don't have much revenue and you're investing for the future, or you do have revenue and you basically want to expand your brand and also appear for searches top of page to drive traffic to your website organically without paying Google for ads. SEO is a really important approach. We have both Dental Marketing and Pontifex Agency. These are 2 agencies of mine, that one of which focuses purely on SEO, Pontifex, and Dental focus on medical marketing, mainly dental marketing, but also aesthetic clinics, med spas. And so whether you're a medical clinic, a dental clinic, or just someone who wants to improve their SEO, understanding how Evo Dental appear for searches, not just in their local area, but surrounding areas, is really, really important. So we're going to walk through the cutting edge SEO strategies that they use and how you can apply the same. And we've applied this strategy for multiple dental practices, one in Leamington Spa, one in Solihull near Birmingham, and we're applying this now to practices in Surrey as well. And by leveraging this sort of expertise, we can help our clients dominate their respective niches, in this case dental, and their respective locations so they can appear in surrounding areas. So to be clear, we didn't work with Evo Dental, but we've analyzed their approach and we can help other practices and have helped them achieve the same results. Their strategy of getting 5,000 monthly visitors for terms relating to dental implants is not a fluke. It is the result of a meticulously planned and executed SEO strategy. And so here are the 3 secrets to their strategy. They've created multiple location pages for their services. This strategy is known as programmatic SEO. If you look here, they have clinics in Birmingham, Bristol, Dartford. Now let's go to Birmingham. When you type in dental implants, Sutton Coldfield, I'm typing from London, but even then, when we go here, you can see, if we look for Evo Dental, they have a link that says dental implants Sutton Coldfield, Smile in a Day experts. And you go there, you'd expect them to have a practice in Sutton Coldfield, but they don't. So it says dental implants Sutton Coldfield. We'll go down here and we'll see that we have a clinic in Birmingham. But because they had a page dedicated to dental implants in Sutton Coldfield, they were also able to direct traffic to their clinic in Birmingham. Actually, the clinic's in Solihull, which is away from Birmingham. Now, when we take a further deep dive into this, it gets more interesting, because not only do they have a Sutton Coldfield page, but obviously they have their main Birmingham page, and on top of that, they have a Solihull page. So whether it's someone typing dental implants in Solihull, whether it's someone typing dental implants from Birmingham, or someone typing it from Sutton Coldfield, the result is exactly the same. They're going to drive traffic to their Birmingham clinic, which is in fact located in Solihull. Now imagine you're looking for dental implants in one of these areas, you type that in and you'll be directed to their page regardless, because their page appears on the first page of Google. And this SEO strategy allows them to capture traffic from surrounding areas without paying money to Google and without paying money to Meta. So it's more affordable all around if they invest in their SEO, and they do Meta ads and Google ads, but this is the backbone of their strategy. So the point about this strategy is, even when your clinic isn't in that specific location, if it's nearby, there's a way to bring traffic to your website for that speciality that you offer. So secret 2 is, additionally to having different location pages for their main implants page, they also have specific sub-service pages, such as full mouth dental implants, all on 4 implants, Smile in a Day implants, you name it. They've got sub pages for each of these types of services. And within that, they have separate location pages for those subcategories. So let's say that one of their pages is for full mouth dental implants. They've got a Birmingham page, they've got a Solihull page. Same with Leeds. They'll have a Leeds page and they'll have a Bradford page, which will tell them that the nearest location to getting full mouth dental implants near Bradford is in Leeds, and so on and so forth. So these first two secrets are really interrelated. Number one, you have your separate location pages for your main category of implants. And then number two, you have location pages for different categories, the different subcategories of implants and implant related treatments. And this allows Evo Dental to target very, very specific searches. And number three is backlinks. Now, we all know that backlinks are very important for your SEO strategy. They are the backbone of any solid SEO strategy. And Evo Dental have a relatively low count of backlinks. They have procured around 800 backlinks, but what makes these backlinks is that they are of a sufficient quality. It's the quality of the links. Now, when you're procuring links, you need to have a razor-sharp method of quality control for all your backlink sources. And so here are a few of the important points. You need to ensure that domain authority and page authority are high, that spam score of any site where you procure the backlink should not be more than 5%. Ideally, it should be 1% or lower. And there are multiple tools you can use to check this. For example, website SEOchecker.com is just one example of a tool you can use. And you should also check the indexing count of the website. The indexing count tells you the number of pages on the site indexed by Google. So if you're procuring a backlink from a website that has a high indexing count, that's a good thing. And the higher that count, the better. Now, there are, of course, many other factors as well, but these are key in the trust that Google gives your backlinks. So let's take a few examples of backlinks that Evo Dental have. So this is one of their backlinks, eastleighdental.co.uk. And as you can see, they have a reference to Evo Dental, allowing us to offer the Evolution Full Jaw Implant solution. So this is clearly a clinic that's collaborating with Evo Dental. And somewhere in here, they will link to the Evo Dental website. So this is a backlink. And why is this a good backlink? Well, number one, it's relevant to the industry. Eastleigh Dental is clearly a dedicated dental service provider, and having a backlink from this site is relevant for any other dental healthcare related website. And this relevance can significantly boost SEO performance by strengthening the topical authority of the main site that procures the backlinks, in this case, Evo Dental. And for dental practices within the same geographical area or nearby, a backlink for them could enhance local SEO metrics. So the closer Eastleigh Dental is to one of their clinics, potentially the better this will be for any local business, in this case for Evo Dental. And since the website itself caters to individuals interested in dental services, that means that there can be some targeted traffic transferred over from this site to Evo Dental. Now, another example of a backlink that Evo Dental use is dentalguide.co.uk. So let's take a look at them. This is a website which we would expect has a lot of traffic or has at least authority relating to dentistry, and probably a good amount of traffic going to it. So therefore, because it's a very niche specific website, Google loves niche specific backlinks. If you're a dental practice, it will love you procuring backlinks that are niche specific in your industry. And that translates authority to the main Evo Dental website. So it's relevant, it gives authority because it's focused on dentistry, it's a targeted audience because the website's visitors are likely seeking dental related information, meaning a backlink could drive highly targeted traffic to your site. And again, the nicheness of it, and if it's an authority website, which the dentalguide.co.uk probably is, then that authority will also be translated to Evo Dental and the search engines will recognize that. So these factors make the dentalguide.co.uk another good backlink to be procured, meaning that your website can gain in visibility and perceived authority. Now, Evo Dental has a load of other backlinks as well, relating to insurance, pitchbook.com, cqc.org, yell.com. Some of these are more or less related to the dental industry, but what they all share in common is they have minimum standards of domain and page authority, which are two metrics that are super important for succeeding in SEO. And so there we have it, guys. These are three methods or secrets that Evo Dental use as part of their dental implant strategy in order to get a load of SEO traffic to their website. Number one, they have location-specific pages for surrounding areas as well as for the areas in their clinic, enabling them to capture traffic from surrounding areas. Number two, they have location-specific sub-pages for all the subcategories around dental implants, allowing them to position for all of the relevant keywords around implants, full mouth restoration, smile in a day implants. Even people who type in dentures could end up being upsold to implants and to the idea of full mouth implant restorations. And then the third is relating to backlinking. Many dentists and medical clinics will not know about the importance of backlinking. And I think it's important that you know that other websites are gaining their traffic because of the strategic backlinks that they're procuring. If you do want us to help with any of these three things, we have a strategy that we've implemented for clinics. If you are interested in us implementing this strategy for you, you can see that there's a clinic for which we are helping position across Coventry, across Birmingham and West Midlands and Solihull. That's 4 locations for one clinic for terms around endodontics, periodontics, gum infection treatment, bleeding gums. And that's a perfect example of how this programmatic SEO strategy, together with strategic backlinking, can be utilized to grow the rankings and traffic to your website. If that sounds interesting, get in touch with us and stay tuned for more videos like this one that reveal to you the top marketing and SEO strategies you can use to grow your dental practice, medical business, or any other type of e-commerce, SaaS business, or local service business, specifically as it relates to SEO. Thanks for listening.